Ciao everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey to one of the most captivating countries in the world, Italy. Imagine yourself strolling through ancient ruins, indulging in mouth-watering pasta, and soaking up the Mediterranean sun. Italy is a feast for the senses, a place where history comes alive, and every corner reveals a new masterpiece. Whether you're drawn to the romantic canals of Venice, the artistic treasures of Florence, or the Colosseum's grandeur in Rome, Italy offers a tapestry of experiences that will stay with you long after you've said, Arrivederci. So grab a cappuccino, get comfortable, and let's dive into how to plan your perfect Italian adventure. First things first, when is the best time to experience the magic of Italy? Italy welcomes travelers year-round, each season painting a different landscape. Summer, from June to August, is like diving into the heart of Italy's energy. The weather is gloriously warm and sunny, perfect for sipping espressos at sidewalk cafes or strolling through bustling piazzas. But keep in mind, this is also peak tourist season, meaning more crowds and higher prices. If you prefer a quieter, more intimate experience, spring, April to May, and early autumn, September to October, offer a delightful alternative. Picture this, strolling through vineyards draped in golden sunlight, the air crisp and fragrant with the scent of grapes. These shoulder seasons offer pleasant weather, fewer crowds, and a chance to savor Italy's beauty at a more relaxed pace. For those who don't mind a little chill in the air, winter, November to March, offers a unique perspective with cozy Tuscan farmhouses and Christmas markets. Italy is a treasure trove of iconic destinations, each beckoning with its own unique charm. Let's start with the classics: Rome, Florence, Venice, and Milan. Rome, the eternal city, will transport you back in time with its ancient ruins and vibrant street life. Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance, is a feast for the eyes. Venice, the city built on water, offers a truly unique experience. Milan, Italy's fashion capital, pulsates with a modern energy.
But Italy's beauty extends far beyond these iconic cities. Venture off the beaten path and discover the hidden gems that make this country so special.
Now that you're dreaming of all the incredible places to visit, let's talk about getting around this beautiful country. Italy has an efficient transportation system that makes exploring a breeze. The train system is your best bet for major cities. High-speed trains like Frecciarossa and Italo connect Rome, Florence, Milan, and Venice in hours. Imagine speeding through the countryside, catching glimpses of vineyards and charming villages. Train travel offers a relaxing and scenic alternative to navigating traffic. Book your tickets in advance, especially during peak season. Renting a car gives you the freedom to explore hidden gems at your own pace. Picture yourself cruising through Tuscany, stopping at local wineries, or discovering hilltop villages. For shorter distances, public transportation is efficient and affordable. Cities are well connected by buses, trams, and metros. And of course, no trip is complete without experiencing the joy of walking. Pack your most comfortable walking shoes and experience the magic of Italy one step at a time.
Get ready to indulge your taste buds because Italy is a culinary paradise. From perfectly cooked pasta to robust espresso, Italian cuisine celebrates fresh, simple ingredients. Pizza, that iconic dish, needs no introduction. In Naples, thin crust pies are cooked to perfection in wood-fired ovens. Pasta comes in endless shapes and sizes, each region boasting its own specialties. In Rome, try cacio e pepe, spaghetti with pecorino cheese and black pepper. Italian cuisine is about more than just the food, it's the entire dining experience. Come hungry, come curious, and experience the magic of Italian cuisine. Buon appetito!
One of the best things about Italy is that it caters to every budget. Whether you're a budget-conscious backpacker or a traveler who enjoys the finer things in life, you can experience the best of Italy without breaking the bank. Let's start with accommodations. For budget travelers, hostels and guest houses offer affordable and sociable options, especially in larger cities. For a more authentic experience, consider staying in an agriturismo, a working farm or vineyard that offers charming accommodations and a taste of rural Italian life. And for those looking for a touch of luxury, Italy has no shortage of boutique hotels and historic palazzos that will transport you back in time. When it comes to food, you can find delicious and affordable meals throughout Italy. Embrace the street food culture and grab a quick slice of pizza or a panino sandwich for a few euros. For a sit-down meal, look for trattorias or osterie, which typically offer local specialties at reasonable prices. Remember, traveling on a budget doesn't mean sacrificing on experiences. With a little planning and flexibility, you can enjoy the best of Italy without breaking the bank.
Italians are known for their warmth, hospitality, and love of life. To make the most of your Italian adventure and ensure a respectful and enjoyable experience for both you and the locals, here are a few cultural tips to keep in mind. Dress appropriately. When visiting churches or religious sites, it's important to dress modestly. Learn basic greetings. A simple buongiorno, good morning, afternoon, or buonasera, good evening, goes a long way in showing respect and making a good first impression. Mind your volume. Italians tend to speak at a more moderate volume, so try to avoid shouting or speaking loudly in public places. Be patient. Life in Italy moves at a different pace. Embrace the relaxed pace and enjoy the journey. Tipping is not mandatory in Italy, as a service charge, coperto, is often included in the bill. However, it's customary to round up the bill or leave a small tip for good service. By embracing these cultural nuances, you'll not only blend in with the locals, but also gain a deeper appreciation for the Italian way of life.
In today's digital age, there's an app for everything, and traveling in Italy is no exception. Here are a few essential apps and resources that will make your Italian adventure smoother and more enjoyable. Google Maps, your trusty companion for navigating Italy's cities and towns. Download offline maps for areas with limited data access. Trenitalia, the official app of Italy's national train operator. Book tickets, check schedules, and receive live updates on your train journeys. Booking.com. Find and book a wide range of accommodations, from hostels to hotels. The Fork. Browse restaurants, read reviews, and make reservations, often with discounts. Google Translate. A lifesaver for communication barriers. Download offline translation packs for Italian for use without data. XE Currency. Easily convert currencies to keep track of your spending. Wi-Fi Map. Find free Wi-Fi hotspots throughout Italy. With these apps and resources at your fingertips, you'll be well equipped to navigate Italy like a pro.
Now, let's talk about something no one likes to think about but is essential for any trip abroad: travel insurance. While we all dream of smooth sailing and unforgettable experiences, unexpected events can and do happen. That's where travel insurance comes in, providing peace of mind and financial protection in case of unforeseen circumstances. Imagine this. You're all set for your dream trip to Italy, flights booked, accommodations reserved, and itinerary meticulously planned. But then, life throws you a curveball. A sudden illness, a family emergency, or a natural disaster disrupts your plans, forcing you to cancel or cut your trip short. Without travel insurance, you could be left facing hefty cancellation fees, lost deposits, and the disappointment of a missed adventure. Travel insurance typically covers a range of scenarios, including trip cancellation or interruption, medical emergencies, lost or delayed baggage, and travel delays. While no one wants to think about these scenarios, having travel insurance provides peace of mind, knowing you're financially protected if the unexpected occurs. When choosing travel insurance, carefully consider your coverage needs and the length and nature of your trip. Investing in travel insurance is a small price to pay for peace of mind and financial protection, allowing you to embark on your Italian adventure with confidence. And there you have it, your guide to planning an unforgettable Italian getaway. Whether you're captivated by the ancient wonders of Rome, the artistic treasures of Florence, or the romantic canals of Venice, Italy promises a journey for the senses. Remember to savor every moment, from indulging in delicious pasta to sipping espresso at a sidewalk cafe, and embrace the warmth and hospitality of the Italian people. As you explore this enchanting country, remember to travel responsibly, respecting local customs, and leaving a positive impact on the places you visit. And most importantly, have fun, embrace the unexpected, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Buon viaggio.